A quote from ancient Greece, "I am wiser than this man. It is likely that neither of us knows anything worthwhile, but he thinks he knows something when he does not. Whereas, when I do not know, neither do I think I know. So I am likely to be wiser than he to this small extent, that I do not think I know what I do not know." This wisdom from ancient Greece is not just a mouthful, but also a mindful. It tells us about a simple yet profound truth of life. It's all about perceived wisdom versus actual wisdom. The speaker is not claiming to know more than the other person. Instead, he is saying that he might be wiser because he understands his own ignorance. He doesn't pretend to know what he doesn't. The danger lies in believing oneself to be knowledgeable when in fact one is ignorant. Such false belief not only hinders learning but can also lead to disastrous decisions. So the essence of this first part is that the speaker believes himself to be wiser because he acknowledges his lack of knowledge. Moving on to the second half of the quote, "When I do not know, neither do I think I know. So I am likely to be wiser than he to this small extent that I do not think I know what I do not know." This profound insight from the ancients takes us on a journey towards true wisdom. It suggests that the real wisdom lies not in the accumulation of knowledge, but in the recognition of our ignorance. Think about it. How often do we pretend to know things we don't? How often do we shroud our ignorance under the cloak of false knowledge? The ancient Greeks suggest that wisdom is not about knowing everything, rather, it's about understanding the limits of our own knowledge. It's about acknowledging that we don't know what we don't know. This humility, this acceptance of our own ignorance, is the cornerstone of wisdom. Thus, the overall message here is that wisdom lies not in knowing everything, but in recognizing and accepting our own ignorance.